Hi traders, as you can see the trade progressing now. We got 3 positions running over here. Euro dollar is the one that is on the biggest run over here. All the others are in about break even point. Now the point is not about focusing on this running figures here because they're all unrealized, right? They're not realized yet and you don't have any control over them. The main thing what you should be really focusing on is basically the trade management of the trade. Okay, so let's go through one by one. So we have Aussie dollar here. So let me take a look at Aussie dollar on the 1 hour here. So where should I be trailing my stop to? So I should be trailing it to the high of every bar as we speak. So the low, sorry, because we're going long, so the low is 7126, so that's where I'll be trailing my stop to. So I will modify that and I will go on to 7126, and that is it, and that's done. Now the next part is then euro dollar. So let me just take a look at euro dollar here. Again, I will trail it to the low of this bar here, which is what is flagged up now. So low would be 11287. That's what will be. So I'm minimizing my risk as we are doing this. Okay, so that's that one there. So it's very near to our target, as you can see. And then finally what I'll be looking at is dollar Swiss. So dollar Swiss on the 1 hour, I'll be trailing my stop to the high of this bar here. So that one will be 9238, as you can read it here. 9238. That's 9239, so 1 pip on top of that, 9240, one spread, 9241. So I will then move that to 9241 here, and then that's it. So that's all. So we are done for this trade management over here. So I'll leave this to run, and all I need to do is come and check back on this in just about 1 more hour, okay, after this bar has been formed. Okay, so that's what I would be doing. Alright, so let's just let it play out itself and we'll see how we do on these trades.
If you want to get notified every time we put a video up, especially on our live trading update videos, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notifications icon. This will get the YouTube algos to kick in and for you to join us in our mission to spread the truth of trading further, so that traders like you can benefit from our videos to trade like a master, achieve consistent performance, and change lives.